This is a 2010 328i Xdrive BMW SULEV. If you have a vehicle that sounds like this, where it wants to give out, a lot of shaking, misfiring on 3 cylinders, and problem with 3 open injectors, I figure out a solution what's causing it. As you can see, if you look here, these clips that hold the injectors that are in, watch what I do, and you can hear the difference. It stops the shaking and everything. Keep it looking. I put a 2x4 on top of the injectors connectors to hold them down in place. As I do this, you want to try to wedge it in there somehow so it'll hold them down pretty good. As you can see, you can push down a little bit, get it under there a little bit. You can cut it to the length. And actually
be a lot easier.
Now listen to the difference once I do that.
Still doing it.
Not much.
No, but once you...
Yeah, because I don't have the...
Yeah, you don't got it. The clips.
But the thing is, I put a scan tool on there.
Yeah.
It took all the codes away. It took the injector problem, the open circuits away, and the misfiring on the 3 cylinders. Nothing shows up. Look, it's a lot. It's a lot quieter. And when I give it gas, you can hear the difference. And right now it's idling at 850. Right now, 850, which is a lot better. So I bought some injector connectors on Amazon for this car, and I'm putting them on tomorrow, and I'll update everyone about the video. But as far as codes, I did a scan on the car.
Right.
Shows no codes. No misfiring, and no open circuits on any of the injectors.
Wow.
So I'm gonna do that all tomorrow, and should be back on the road.
Right.
Just figure to let everybody know, especially the BMW owners and lovers. But as you can see, this is the car. This is a 2010 328i Xdrive BMW SULEV. It's a really nice car. It's a really nice shape. There's no rust on the entire car. What's up? What's wrong? Why?